Anjuman-E-Faizul Islam Urdu Primary School Assistant Teacher Miss Nausheen Khan, Headmistress Mrs. Samina Sheikh. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Subject English Standard First. Unit 1 1.2 Greeting. When your teacher enter your class, you say good morning. It is greeting. Greeting change according to time. Morning, noon, evening and night. In the morning when we get up, we say good morning. At 12 noon, we say good afternoon. In the evening, we greet good evening. At night, when we go to bed, we say good night. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. These are greetings. Thank you.